Share the entire screen. Desktop, you will see the option here. Okay, now Vikas, you can tell me what you are trying to do in this program and what problem you are facing. So what you are trying to do?
Actually, sir, I'm trying to read the data from Excel sheet, but it's not happening, and I'm not able to understand this type of error.
Okay.
Uh,
So whenever you are trying to read a Excel, that is employee record.xls, and what is happening whenever you are trying to read it, you are getting a problem of numeric cell value. Okay,
yes.
so here I want to tell you what is happening. If you go to your Excel, in the
Hmm.
Excel, you can see that your first name field contains the data that is a string, right? Your
Right.
last name column contains the data that is also the string. But
Hmm.
if you go to the age, in the age column, all the values are numeric. Okay, because
Hmm.
you can say by default numeric values are right aligned. You can say that. You can see that in the age values are right aligned. Right or wrong? The age values 22, 35, 24.
Yes.
These are
Yes.
right aligned, right?
Right.
So now there is two solutions. One solution is that you can do one thing. You can convert the age data into the string format. Is it okay?
Yes.
And the second solution is that you don't need to modify the Excel, and in the program you can handle it, that how you can read the numeric value. Is it okay?
Yes.
So now go to your program,
Hmm.
and in the program, just in the line number 82, you are trying to get the value from the eighth cell dot get string cell value, right? So
Hmm.
instead of calling this, you will get a function get numeric cell value. Okay, just remove this get string cell value function and you will get numeric dot get numeric cell value, right? Get numeric, type and yeah, call it, okay, semicolon. And because it is returning the numeric cell value, just change the data type of age to double. Yeah, so now left side the age variable will be of double type. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now run this program and see that you are able to run the program and it is printing the value of age. Can you and can you enlarge the console little bit up? Can you? Yeah, so that
Yes,
now
sir.
it is working fine.
Yes, sir. It's working fine, but return the value in the decimal form.
Yeah, because reason is that whenever you can say by default, whenever you return some value from the, you can say Excel, it consider it's a, you
Hmm.
can say that double value. Double
Double.
means it is a higher range of the float value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now it means one solution is that whenever you are trying to read any numeric value from your Excel, the solution is that instead of calling the function get string cell value, you
Hmm.
should call the function get numeric cell value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here, if your concern is that Pradeep, it is returning the double, but I want to get the integer value. Okay,
Hmm.
only the integer value. So after getting, you can say now, just do one thing. You can do one thing after get numeric cell value. Whatever data you got it, if you
Hmm.
want, you can convert into the. You can say any data. You can convert into the integer also. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, now the easiest solution is that first thing is that you can go in this way, you can get the numeric value, and then you have lots of options that you can get only the integer value. You don't need to use the double value. Second thing is that what usually people do it, can you go to the Excel? Okay, usually when the data is provided in the Excel, you can convert into the string also. How? Just double click, you can say just double click on 22 where the value of 22 is written, just double, and the
Hmm.
starting, just place you can say the single quote. Can you click on a single quote on your keyboard? Yeah, now press enter. So now you will see that whenever you have some value in the Excel as a numeric and you want to store it as a string, you can do the same thing, right? So now you can do one thing, just click on 22 and just click on format painter. In the Excel, you have an option format painter above. Yeah. And now click on it, first click on it, and now select all the values from 22 to 21. Yeah, select all the values. Yeah. Okay, it is not taking the formatting.
No.
No. So okay, no. If you do, yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So
right now it's taking.
okay, yeah, but what is happening? It changed the value. So actually in the Excel, just put the single quote before every numeric value. This is the option for that, right? Before 35, just enter the single quote. Okay, so this is the alternative solution. Otherwise, you can directly get the value from the numeric cell value. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this case, if you are making a single quote in the Excel, then here you can simply call the function get string cell value. That also work. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to try, just put the single quotes before every numeric value and just see that program is running. First of all, go into the Excel and just put the single quotes. It should work the format option also, but it is not working. I don't know. So just put the single quote before every. Yeah, quickly. Press enter. Go to the next one. Yeah, every. Oh, the right 40. Now write 40. No. Yeah, before. Yeah. So this is the way to format the Excel numeric value into the string format. So now you can say people use both type of version. Few person read as a numeric and few just change it with the help of formatting so that the program will be easy. Now save it and go to your program and now again change this value get numeric. No, not run it. Now this you can control Z. Okay, control Z. If you go to the last line, yeah, control Z again. So go to your previous code is control yeah. Now save it. Now you are reading the A cell, you are reading the value as a string. So now because you have converted into the string in the Excel, so it will also work. Now run it. Now you got the solution. It means the simple thing is that whenever you are reading some string value from the Excel, you have to call the function get string cell value. And if you are reading some numeric cell value, so here you have to call get numeric cell value, right? So only the thing is that you have both the option. Even use the get numeric cell value to read the numeric value, or go to the Excel and just add the single quote in the cell so that it will be saved as a string cell value. Okay.
Okay, sir. And what, sir, if we have the more records?
So that's why I'm saying that currently you are trying to do one by one. Otherwise, in the Excel, you don't need to do it. You can simply copy the formatting from one cell to the whole column. You can select, okay, together you can do it. Otherwise, the other thing you can use the numeric cell value. Okay. Okay. So now, Vikas, I'm going to tell you that I have already told you this thing. Like, first option is that you can call the get numeric cell value, and using the numeric cell value, you can get the data from the numeric cell, right? So same we are going to do it here. So do one thing. Again, just call the function instead of get string cell value. Just call the function get numeric cell value. Just call it instead of get string cell value at line number 82. Okay, remove it. And now dot get numeric cell value. What is the return type of this function? It is double, right? So now first of all, we will store this value in a double variable. Currently your age variable type is string. So just use it double, D-O-U-B-L-E, double. No, here not. Instead of age, string, the type of age is string. So it should be double. So whatever is returning right side, you are going to store it in the same data type, right? So now it means when the function age cell dot get numeric cell value will run, it will return the double value which you have stored in the age variable. Is it okay? Now it will return the double value, so you will get the decimal values also, right? So just run it and see that you are getting the double value. Run the program and see that you will get the 22.0, right? So let me run it. Okay, now because it is returning the, so now we will do one thing. We will convert this decimal value into the int value, because we need only complete number. If you need decimal, it means if you are storing some decimal value in your cell, this function is directly useful for you, right? Because
Right.
if you have some value 22.5, something like that, this function will return the decimal value.
Yes,
In
sir.
that case, it is useful. Now the question is that if we want to read only the integer value, I
Integer
don't
value.
want to read the decimal part. In that case, just create a variable int and just give the variable name like age value or age int value. You can use any variable name, age int value. Just give the variable name age int value. Okay. And now equal to what we will do? Equal to, first of all, we will use a concept, we will use a class double. So we'll create the object of a double class. So here double is a class, not the primitive data type. In the small double is, it is called primitive data type, and whatever you are using now, that is called non-primitive. So new and write in the capital D O U B L E, and it is a class. So when you control a space, it will ask for the parameter. So the first parameter what you have to pass, double value.
Double value.
So and double value you have already stored in the previous line, that is age, right? So now it will convert the normal primitive double value into the non-primitive type. Now just make a dot again here and use the function int value. So first what this line will do, this line number 83 right side, first of all it will convert, you can say convert the primitive double value age into the non-primitive value, and from that value you are extracting only the integer part, not after the decimal that you have stored in the variable age int value. So now in the SOP use the age int value variable and see that it is returning the value only the integer value. Just run it. Now I hope you get all type of solutions, right?
Right.
Means it is that it is a decimal value in the, you can say in the Excel, it is a string value. You want to handle the string value at program side, or you want to handle the string value at Excel side. So we have covered all the combinations, right?
Right.
So I think you are happy now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Very
thank
happy.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.